Get in some green cover here. He's far enough down the hill. Well, he's staying down the hill. He's also been quiet for a little while now. I think we're gonna back out up the top of the ridge and circle back down to the bottom. Well, anyway, we'll get down there, find a good place to sit and just hang out for a while. And then once the sun dries his dew off of the grass, I'm gonna check a couple fields. There's another bird gobbling out in the field that where I tried to roost one last night. The bird gobbled out that way. So we got that for backup too. He finally gobbled again a couple times. Sounds like he's moved up the hill a little bit. I think he's just gobbling occasionally. He's got that hen with him. But we'll hang tight and listen for a while. I was just thinking how this field here and the next one got so tall, birds quit using it. They've been hanging out in the woods, which is true, but it's walked up on that hen. It's time to do a lot of walking. Hopefully we can get into something. I was walking down this way, and I heard something rustling over there. Look at that, a little songbird digging around. It sounded like a turkey. I was like, what the heck? She came out of the field behind that thick stuff. We're about to get eyes on this field, see if we can see anything. We gotta gobble. I didn't even see those birds when I was scanning the field, but then I owl hooted and he gobbled. I was like, wait a second, he's right there in the shade on the edge of the field. This field is private, but the woods are public. So they're like standing right next to the property line right now. Alright, we're gonna back up, make a big loop, try to sneak on these birds. May get a shot, may not. But I know exactly where they're at now. I'm dumb. I just walked up on a bird that was in the woods. I think it was one of the jakes. It ran straight out. The property line stakes are about 15 feet on their side of the fence. So we can shoot across the fence, but not much. If he's standing right next to it, he's getting shot. I don't know where he went. I know we bumped one bird back there a ways. Might have been the Jake. Might have been him, but I don't think so. It was only one bird that I bumped. And the rest of them, I don't know. They must be in the woods. Or they went up and over. I'm not sure. Well, we got other birds that are not playing property line games. They were playing hide in the jungle games, but we're gonna go see if we can get a gobble or lay eyes on another one. It seems like every bird's got one or two hens. He just gobbled up ahead. This might be the bird I was on the roost this morning. He gobbled twice now. His hen was right here. We got him. That's the one was on the roost this morning, wasn't it? Shot through a little brush. This is Jim Riser's TSS hand loads he gave me. I missed with one 2 days ago. Felt pretty crappy about it. We got him. He popped out a strut and stuck his head up, and I shot through like that much of a window. Whew. That looks like him. He had that long beard. His hooks look bigger in person than they did when he was on the limb this morning. Whew. Thank you, Lord. Sure worked for this one. I had a feeling he'd be up here in this roadbed at some point, but I didn't want to sit here all day and deer hunt him. But sure enough, I was coming out of this field, coming out of the woods into this field, coming this way, and he hammered. Luckily for me, I would have walked up on his hand first and spicked both of them. He gobbled once. I dipped in the woods. He gobbled again. And I'm slipping through the woods and thought I heard drumming, but it was real quiet. I couldn't tell if I heard drumming or not. And then I saw something bright red through the brush. Is that a cardinal or a flower? And then he turned his head and I saw his face and then saw his whole tail fan. I'm sorry y'all couldn't see me shoot him, but I wasn't risking that one. Oh, look at that tail fan. That is pretty. Hold on, we got to get pictures of this one. What a beautiful bird.